Now, getting to the prop trading conversation, I wanted to ask you.
Mhm.
When I started trading 6 years ago,
Mhm.
I didn't know prop trading firms, and then I went to a cash account. And I don't have to say that, but in my first year, I did a lot of wrong things, such as blowing my account in 2 days, going crazy in some trades, because there were no rules. It's my cash account. And then after some years, I got to know that there's prop trading. You got a risk management, so you can't, there's someone helping you, so you don't blow up your account in one day. Um, how do you think prop trading in general? You started with the CFDs, but can help traders, especially the beginners, rather than starting by yourself with a cash account with no rules. There's always this. Oh, today I'm gonna have a stop loss of $500, and then when it gets there, you know what? I
Are
think
you
I
speaking
might
from
go.
experience?
Yeah,
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 we all
yeah.
been there. No, I think
We
you
all been
can't
there. Yeah.
you can't justify trying to learn how to trade with your own money today. It doesn't make any sense. If you're going to
Hmm.
learn how to trade, if you're my barber, shout out to Austin, my barber, same name as me. If you're going to learn how to
Hmm.
cut hair, or if a guy like him is going to learn how to trade who's been cutting hair, he's never been a trader, there would make no sense with prop firms for him to put his own money in a brokerage account. He's better off buying prop challenges. $5,000 in prop challenges will get you more chances to get a payout, more chances to take money out of the market than $5,000 of your own money as a new trader, in my opinion. That's just an opinion, everybody, right? If you're listening to this, you do whatever you want. This is not a financial advice. But from what I've seen, again, got a lot of reviews on Trustpilot. I've helped a lot of people. We talk about this more than I talk about anything else. You're probably better off learning how to trade with a prop firm more so than your own capital. 100%, in my opinion.
Okay. And then now you're working more with in the future side of the prop firms, and we've got like a lot of partners in the event as well. We got you know in person in Florida. It was amazing.
Mhm.
And how do you see the markets for traders like when they first start? Because today there are equities, futures, CFDs, even crypto.
Yeah.
Um, did you try it all before actually focusing on futures, or do you think, especially in the US, people already go to the futures as their first choice? Because there's a lot of content on the internet, and people might get confused on which market they should start or they should trade. For example, I was speaking with Brian Shannon, and he loves to trade equities. It's a very different world, even for me, because I'm not an expert in equities. But is there a specific reason why you got into futures more uh, within the last years with more focus, or um,
Lower cost to
you know?
entry. Up until
Okay.
recently, you had the PDT rule. So that was a barrier.
Yeah.
Forex was just very difficult to be consistent in long term. But futures, not so much. Centralized market, prop firm challenges are cheaper. I don't know. There's definitely like no doubt in my mind when we've run this coaching program for the last 5 years almost, more people taking payouts from futures, coaches on our team taking more payouts from futures than any other market. I think we're going to see
Mhm.
options get interesting. Options prop firms, I think, are going to be interesting. Equity prop firms may get more interesting, but I think futures right now is the predominant thing because of the low barrier to entry, low cost to entry, ease of use, too many check boxes checked. So I think that's why it's attracting everybody. On top of that, now the PDT rule is gone for equities if you want it to be, and they're coming out with single stock futures for futures.
For CME,
So
yeah, very, very, yeah. It's
yep,
I think it's next month, right? Supposedly.
yep, exactly. So I think we are headed for more market participants in general, which just means more opportunity if you know where to look in any market. So I don't think you can go wrong to answer your question. But I do think futures is a great place to start. So, like if I was coaching someone who's never traded before, of course, most of my experience now is futures and Forex, but I would still say those two are the easier to learn more so than options. Equities, I mean, I'm bullish on America, so I don't even know if I would short a stock at all. I would be long only personally. You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah, yeah.
I think equities could be arguably fairly easy to trade if you know how to pick them, right? But I think just on the day trading side of things, like if you watched me trade, like you saw me trade at the boot camp a little bit, like I trade for,
Yeah.
I'm trying to be right in 15 minutes. I'm trying to scout this thing and make money quickly because the market allows for that. Market opportunity is very low spreads, a lot of liquidity. That gets me in and out easy. I can be a short-term scalper and find an edge there with for me, it's with VWAP. So I feel like if you get all those things aligned, then you can make any market work. But I think it's easier to get them aligned in futures. That's my opinion.